Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk to you about a boating safety item that if used every single time you trailer your boat could keep you from looking like this guy. Trailer tie-down straps are one of the most important safety items on your boat, and it's critical that you use them every time you trailer your boat to and from the water. But many boaters, both new and also experienced, are guilty of towing their boat without their trailer tie-down straps. Interesting thing is, it's not because they're lazy, it's not because they want to be unsafe. Most often it's just because they don't know where their straps are. Either they left them in the car, the kids played with them, they're in a bag somewhere, but whatever the reason, the number one reason people don't use them is they can't find their straps. Today's video, we're going to teach you about trailer tie-down straps. We're going to show you how to make sure that your straps are always nearby and fully operational. Let's get into it. The folks over at Strapinno reached out to us and asked if we would do a review on their ratcheting tie-down straps. And of course, like all products that people reach out to us asking for a review, we asked would they send us some samples that we could evaluate, and from there we could make a decision. And honestly, I am very glad that they did. We've been looking for a product just like this for years. These fixed mounted stainless steel ratchet straps are heavy duty, they're reliable, they're dependable. And they also come with these really cool clip hooks on the end, prevents the hook from separating itself from the tie-down point. It's important to know there are lots of these types of ratchet straps on the internet, but don't buy the standard carbon steel versions. They'll rust out on you, then they won't really be functional when it's time to use them. Make sure what you buy is the stainless steel type. That's what these are. That's why we're endorsing them. Installation couldn't be easier. You're simply going to need a 3/4 inch ratchet and a 3/4 inch wrench. Comes with the bolts, hardware that you're going to need. Some cases, the mount point for the back of your trailer might need a little deburr. So I've got a 1/2 inch drill bit here just to kind of deburr that hole because you want that bolt to pass through. Installation should take you under 5 minutes for both sides. After each use, we do recommend that you rinse it down. Rinse your Strapinno ratchet straps down with some fresh water, especially if you saltwater boaters out there. And if you have it, some spray lubricant, marine rated spray lubricant. It's going to keep it looking nice, keep the mechanicals perfect for as long as you own them. For those of you who have opted for the dual lock version, inside the package we found this handy piece of hardware. This is basically a mount bracket. In case you don't have this handy location like we have on this trailer to mount the ratchet straps really near to the tie-down point, these mount brackets can be used to attach to any other points along the side of the trailer. You may find that you want to attach it here or drill your own hole. That hardware is really handy. You're going to see in your box when you open up the two-way use version, there's going to be a set of straps inside. It's going to look like this. It comes in a hardware bag. This strap comes with a bolt, nut, and a washer. This can be attached to the ratcheting end. It's more like a traditional ratchet strap as compared to right now we're using it as a boat trailer tie down, but that's why they call it a two-way use. We want to thank today's sponsor, Strapinno. They've been really great to deal with. They've been very responsive every time we've reached out to them. If you want to check out their Amazon store, this product is available in their Amazon store. Not available at JetBoatPilot just yet, but we might bring that on. We'll put a link in the description below where you can find the product in Strapinno's Amazon store, as well as a coupon. Use coupon code JetBoatPilot to save 10% off, but hurry, that coupon's going to expire pretty soon. It's a limited time offer. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. Be safe out there. Use your ratchet straps after every trip. Strapinno can help you with that. We really appreciate you watching this video today. We hope you learned something. And if you enjoyed this video, check this one out.